I'm Walter and welcome to Wix Ideas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an animated text in your Wix Studio website without writing any single line of code. So stick with me to the very end because I'm going to be showing you the exact settings that you're going to use for the perfect design. Alright, so here we are building a subtle but powerful 3D tilt animation for your text, which reacts to your mouse movement, giving your site a modern interactive feel, which you can use for hero sections or even call to action lines. So let's just jump straight to the editor. So over here on your website, choose the text that you want to add this effect to. Might be your hero section or any other text on your website. If you're testing this out, you can definitely add this to your hero section, or simply select the text on your hero section. And if you don't know how to add the text on Wix Studio, you can go over to the add elements over here and go over to the quick add and add a title, or you can also add a paragraph, or you can head over to the text tab where you can see different text that you can use for this animation. Now drag and drop that on your section, click on that and then open up your inspector. Now you can go ahead and design the text exactly how you want it to look like. But most importantly for this tutorial, we're going to head over to the animations and effects, and you're going to go all the way down to the mouse effects because this animation is going to be using our mouse trigger effect to work. Now go over to add a mouse effect, and here we're going to go over to tilt 3D. Now click on tilt 3D and head over to adjust animations. Perfect. So now we have added a 3D animation effect to our text, but we just want to smooth things out because this is looking too much and we just want to make it modern and clean. The first thing you want to change is the direction of your text based on your mouse effects, and over here is follow mouse. Now we're going to leave it at follow mouse because this is going to make the element respond to your cursor movements and then interactivity to your text. And next we have the angle, and this is actually how far the element tilts. I'm going to reduce mine to something around 15 degrees. Now this is going to add a very smooth tilt to it instead of making it too much. And here we have the pointer velocity, which actually determines how fast the animation responds. So I'm going to set mine to around 1. And over here, you can see that actually is beginning to add a very smooth animation to our text element. The next we have perspective over here. We're going to leave this at 10. And the reason is because this determines the depth of our 3D effect. So leaving it at 10 will give it a nice dimension without overdoing it. And when you hover, you can see that this actually makes it look very clean, very smooth, and exactly how we want it to look like. But you can always reduce this just to play around with it and see how that works. Now when I hover on it, you can see that we have a much more wider depth, and that's not what we want. We just want to keep it very light and very clean and smooth animation. So let's leave ours at around 10, and you can see that is perfect. Now finally we have the ease in, which is how the animation responds, and here we have the ease out, which actually start out fast but kind of slows down when the animation is about to end. So let's just take a look at how this works. You can see how that actually start out fast and kind of slows down when it's about to end. Now if you're wondering where you're going to make use of this effect, you can add it to your hero section or any section where you have a text that you want to highlight and you just want to add a little bit of animation to it without writing any single line of code. Now if this helps you out and you want more design tricks like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because here in Wix Ideas, I break down modern design animations and even add some value customizations to your Wix and Wix Studio websites. So that's how you add a 3D text effect in Wix Studio. So it's simple, it's smooth, and it's completely code-free. If you want to take this even further and add scroll-based animations to your Wix Studio site without writing any single line of code, then you definitely want to check out this tutorial on the stick and scroll effect, which I'll be showing you how to make images or containers smoothly stick to the top of your page as you scroll down. So you can click on that link at the very top of this video, and again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Alright, so I will see you on the next one.